level, really. Nikki-Dee's got a high tolerance, though.
I do have a high tolerance for the wind, but my nose sure doesn't. A lot of blowing dust all across the South Plains. I mean, visibilities continue to lower, not only here in the hub, but up towards Plainview. We continue to be dealing with quite a bit of visibility change just over the past 30 minutes. Temperatures not changing so much. We really warmed up today, and we're still warm, coming in at 77 degrees in the hub, 75 in Plainview, just going down to Snyder at 75 degrees as well. And in your backyard, seeing a lot of the same, just warm weather and making you realize spring really is just a few days away. Now, let's talk winds. Winds have been up all day long. We're still sustaining 29 miles per hour in the city, 27 in Plainview, going up to Freona, 27. Down towards the southern portion, we are dealing with just, the upper teens, but still, it's lower than the rest of us. But with these high conditions, we are still dealing with fire weather. Remember, please be careful outside. Yes, we're used to it. A majority of us are born, raised here in the South Plains, but we are dealing with high winds. This does call for extreme fire danger. We do have a red flag warning right around along the state line, pushing further eastward. Now, a fire weather watch is still in effect for Crosby, Garza, and Lynn. Make sure you're just smart. Use your head, and please, I know it would be so awesome to go outside and grill. Don't do it tonight. And plus, you'd have a little side of dirt on the other side. So you don't want to do that anyways. High winds continue to stay with us on into the overnight hours, and we're going to continue to be dealing with some southerly flow. But the southerly flow is really just going to bring in some nice warm conditions rather than moisture, which we desperately do need. Off towards the west, we'll begin to see those winds pushing into play by tomorrow afternoon, sustaining 31 miles per hour in Plainview, 32 in Floydada, and these winds are looking to even ramp up further as we go into the rest of your afternoon. So a very breezy, windy day, definitely a skirt alert for everyone across the South Plains. Now, these winds will die down, but then they pick back up as a cold front comes through early Wednesday morning. So you get a small break, but the break's not going to last for too long. But the sunshine sure will. Dealing with a lot of sun all across the South Plains over the next several days. With so much sunshine, clear conditions, we will be dealing with temperatures slightly dropping down in the morning before rising by the afternoon. Temperatures for tomorrow, 42 degrees for your low, getting up to 70 by the afternoon. We will be right at freezing by Wednesday, up to 65. The first day of spring, temperatures will be in the upper 70s. We continue that trend on into Friday, but we will slightly cool off by the end and beginning of the week. We'll have all those details, of course. Continue to stay weather aware right here with KLBK. Guys.